Halo semua, ketemu lagi dengan saya, Miss Santi, di Let's Study English. Today, we will learn about notice. Ya, jadi hari ini kita akan membahas notice yang merupakan materi kelas 8 SMP. Let's study. Notice is a kind of short functional text used as instruction or guidance someone doing or not doing something. Jadi fungsinya notice itu adalah untuk memberi instruksi kepada seseorang untuk melakukan atau tidak melakukan sesuatu. The function of notice are 1. Forbid someone to do something. Jadi, melarang orang melakukan sesuatu. Next, warning someone to be careful. Jadi memperingatkan seseorang untuk lebih berhati-hati. Dan fungsi yang ketiga adalah guidance someone to do something. Jadi mengarahkan orang untuk melakukan sesuatu. There are 3 types of notice. The first one is notice caution, the second one is notice command, and the third one is notice prohibition. Let's study one by one. Notice caution is a notice used to warn someone to be careful or aware of something. Jadi notice caution ini fungsinya untuk memberi peringatan kepada seseorang untuk lebih berhati-hati atau waspada terhadap sesuatu. I give the example of notice caution. The first one is caution, slippery stairs. It means that we should be careful because the stair is slippery. Jadi kita harus berhati-hati karena tangganya licin. The second one is caution, wet floors. It means that we should be careful because the floor is wet. Jadi kita harus hati-hati karena lantai licin. And the third one is caution, watch your step. It means that we should be careful when we walk on the stair. Jadi di sini kita diharapkan waspada untuk melihat langkah kaki kita ketika berjalan. All of the caution are usually found in the building. Ya, jadi caution ketiga tadi itu biasanya kita lihat di gedung atau bangunan. The second one is notice command. Notice command is a notice that give instruction to do something. Jadi notice command di sini memberikan instruksi atau komando kepada kita untuk melakukan sesuatu. I give the example of notice command. The first one is notice, park here only. It means that we must park our car or motorcycle here. We usually find this notice in the parking area. Number 2, notice, keep door closed. It means that we must always close the door after we open it. We usually find this notice in the office or room. The third one is notice, employees must wash hand before returning work. It means that the employees must wash their hand before return to work. The third one is notice prohibition. Notice prohibition is a notice which prohibits someone to do something. Jadi, notice prohibition itu adalah notice yang melarang seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu. I give the example of notice prohibition. Number 1, mobile phones prohibited in this area. It means that we are prohibited to use mobile phone in this area. Jadi kita dilarang untuk menggunakan handphone di area ini. We are usually find this notice in some places like in the petrol station. The second one is no food or drink. It means that we are not allowed to bring food and drink in this place. It usually find in the library. Jadi kita di sini dilarang untuk membawa makanan atau minuman. The third one is no entry. It means that we are not allowed to enter this area. It usually find in the dangerous area or private room. Okay, that's all about notice. Jadi itulah penjelasan tentang notice, jenis-jenis notice dan contoh dari masing-masing notice. Oke, sekarang coba kerjakan latihan berikut ini. Ya. Please study the following notice below. Then choose some notice that you might see in the place are given. Jadi coba diperhatikan macam-macam notice yang ada di bawah ini. Kemudian silakan dipilih beberapa notice yang mungkin kalian temukan di tempat yang telah diberikan pada soalnya. Yang kedua, please drawing a notice of caution or comment or prohibition. Then, give the meaning and the place where it usually find. Oke, selamat bekerja. Jangan lupa di like and subscribe ya. See you to the next video. Bye-bye.